Hey guys, Dave here. Today we're making up easy breakfast burritos. Yes, breakfast burritos, layered with cheese, onion, ham, and salsa. And you top these with sour cream. These burritos are fast, simple, and absolutely delicious. So let's dive in. First up, I'm going to season up my egg with a bit of salt. And of course some ground black pepper. I gotta have my pepper. And I have also been known to add in a bit of garlic powder, but that's entirely up to you. Beat our egg up, not too violently, just to the point where it's beaten. Then in with a good knob of butter to a pan over medium-high heat. And we'll just kind of swirl this around and let it melt down. Now reduce the heat to medium and in with our beaten egg. And we'll just let this cook just about to the point where it's set. And I say just about set because there's going to be some magic happen here. Because, my friend, we're going to lay that tortilla over and it is going to stick into that egg and they're going to marry and become one. And that way when we go to flip it over just like we're doing right now, it is not going to flip and flop like Uncle Bert's belly, for lack of a better term. And see how that was a perfect flip? Well, just about. Alright, now the fun part, building our burrito with some Tex-Mex grated cheese. You can use the cheese of your choice. Old cheddar or Monterey Jack, whatever you like. Some chopped onion. Now I know I should have used a green onion. It would look a whole lot prettier, but oh well. Some diced ham. You can use the meat of your choice. And let's face it guys, this is an omelette, so you can use just about anything you want. Then a layer of tomato or tomato. I know I should have sliced this a little more finely, but that's okay too. Now for the star of the show, some salsa. Now I'm using a medium salsa here. You can use hot or you can use mild, whatever you like. And actually you don't have to use salsa, but I would be very upset if you didn't use salsa because it is a burrito. Now, ever so gently or not so gently, grab up one edge and fold it towards the center and just kind of press down a little bit. And of course, you've got it. We're going to do exactly the same thing with the other edge and fold it towards the center. And look at that. It is beginning to look like a burrito. Wow, yay my friends. We have successfully built and cooked our breakfast burrito. Top these guys up with a good dollop of sour cream, which I should have got that graceful shot of spreading the sour cream on, but I didn't. Oh, silly me. Oh well. And of course we must make this all pretty-like and garnish it up with some green onions. Oh, doesn't this look good? I mean, a breakfast simply fit for a burrito king. And believe me, you bite into this, you get the egg, the salsa, the ham, and the freshness of the tomato and the onion. I mean, it doesn't get much better. You have to make this, guys. You simply have to.